Ever wish you could actually want to read instead of scrolling Instagram? Well, I found a way to trick your brain into craving books, and it's ridiculous. Let's be honest. You buy books. They stack up on your nightstand. They collect dust. You feel guilty every time you see them. Why? Because your brain sees reading as work. Slow, effortful, no instant payoff. Meanwhile, TikTok gives you dopamine every 15 seconds. Your brain chooses the path of least resistance. But what if I told you? You can flip that switch. I used to hate reading, would fall asleep after 2 pages. Now I read 10 books a year without forcing myself. My brain actually wants to read now. Here's how. Hack 1. The dopamine pairing. Every time you read 1 page, immediately do something you enjoy. Coffee, music, a walk. Your brain rewires. Reading equals pleasure. Start with 1 page, then reward yourself. Over time, your brain craves the reward and the reading that comes before it. Hack 2. The 2-minute rule. Never commit to 30 minutes. Too scary. Commit to only 2 minutes. Put a timer. Read, then stop. Once you start, momentum kicks in. You end up reading 20 minutes anyway, but stopping early makes your brain associate reading with success, not exhaustion. Hack 3. The curiosity cliffhanger. Stop chapters in the middle of action. Stop right before the cliffhanger, the revelation, the plot twist. Your brain needs closure. It's what Netflix does. So leave yourself wanting more. Next time, your first urge is to finish what you started. Hack 4. The bookmark reward. Use a fancy bookmark. Every time you reach it, treat yourself. Your brain associates reading with winning. Over time, you chase that feeling. It's loyalty program psychology. You want to get to the reward again. Hack 5. The audio bridge. Can't do physical books? Try audiobooks. Listen while doing chores, commuting, walking. Your brain gets free reading time. Some of the best readers I know started with audiobooks. They loved the content, then transitioned to physical books. Hack 6. Environment design. Make reading easy. Keep books everywhere. Bedside, bag, bathroom. Remove friction. Book in a drawer equals you won't read. Book on your pillow equals you will. Your environment is designing your behavior. Make it work for you. Reading isn't about discipline, it's about design. Your brain is already wired for curiosity. You're just not using it right. You're not a non-reader. You've just been using the wrong system. If this helped, save it and share it with someone who claims they don't have time to read. Subscribe for more brain hacks. See you next time.